Hello wonderful students, try to guess the correct answer for this question and post your answer in the comments. So 34-year-old man, painful clusters of fluid filled lesions on the penile shaft. So it is a sexually transmitted disorder. History of multiple sexual partners is given, inconsistent condom usage is there. On examination, grouped vesicles and shallow ulcers are noted on erythematous base. Also, there is painful inguinal lymphadenopathy. So, what do you think is the correct answer? So, since it is mentioning painful lesions on the genitalia, so we can rule out the first option and also option D, because in both these conditions we are going to see painless genital ulcers. And this one very important clue, that is the presence of the grouped vesicles, is going to give us the diagnosis of, yes, if you have thought of genital herpes, you are absolutely correct. Remember students, chancroid can present with painful genital ulcers and also painful inguinal lymphadenopathy, but there will not be vesicular lesions in chancroid. So we have ruled that out. And coming to the genital herpes, so I hope all of you know it is due to the human herpes virus type 2, and it is going to present with painful vesicular lesions and tender inguinal lymphadenopathy. And remember dear students, in the chancroid we are going to see the tender inguinal lymphadenopathy associated with suppuration, so we call it as bubo. So in which other disease can we see a bubo? Put your answer in the comments students. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do hit that like button and also do subscribe for more such awesome videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Sarvejana Sukhino Bhavantu.